Join us as we whip up this delectable peach cobbler in no time. Hi, Liz here. Now y'all, down south, we cannot officially have summer without peach cobbler. So grab yourself some peaches and some yellow cake mix, and let's make this irresistible peach cobbler. Now, let's get started by preheating our oven to 375 degrees. To a medium to large mixing bowl, add 8 to 10 sliced peaches. 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Mix these together. Hold on, PSA time. Don't have any fresh peaches? Never fear. Canned peaches are here. You can use 2 or 3 15-ounce cans of canned peaches if you don't have any fresh ones. Now, let's pour those peaches into a 9x13 baking dish and make sure they're spread out evenly. And then let's pour 1 15-ounce box of yellow cake mix evenly over the top. Cover every bit now. Next, let's sprinkle 1/2 cup of brown sugar over the top. Then pour 1 stick of melted butter, this is a 1/2 cup, over the top. And lastly, place 1 stick or 1/2 cup of sliced butter over the top. Now it's off to a 375 degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. It will be golden brown. Shazam! Just look at this heavenly peach cobbler, y'all. Y'all, this is Slap Your Mama delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more delicious recipes. If you want more peach cobbler recipes, click here and here. Thanks for watching, and peace, love, and peaches.